Another daily tip. We've got a clogged shower drain. We got to start by getting this drain stop out. Set it in the closed position, and then righty-tighty, lefty-loose. Now that you've got it loose, let's get it out of the way to reveal how much hair we have. Oh yeah, it's there. Here's the tool we're going to use to remove it. I know I'm going to be disappointed if they don't call this the Hair Puller 3000. Maybe we can fill the comment section with other name ideas. All right, enough screwing around. Let's send it. So I simply did a push and a twist, and it went right in. Once it was all the way in and I could feel a little bit of resistance, I pushed the button, let those little fingers grab the hair. And would you look at that? It worked. It worked really well. I got to make sure you can find it. It's only like $8.
Okay, so now we know how to clean the drain, but how do we prevent it from happening again? Well, isn't that a great question? Let me show you.
I'm going to wash my black lab in this sink and try to clog my drain. Well, kind of. Actually, it's just going to be a small mock-up of that situation. And we're going to put to the test if these tubshrooms can actually catch the hair. Well, Brad, how are you going to actually see how much hair does get down there? Well, I'm going to put a bucket down there. Now, as my son would say, I'm actually impressed. You can wash your black lab in the bathroom sink.
You can tell me whatever you want. I'll listen, but I promise you, you're not going to change my mind. That was impressive.